Alright guys, so what I want to show you is how to make money through affiliate marketing on Nestitch. Now, affiliate marketing simply means that you don't need to have a product to make money. You just need to sell someone else's product and earn a commission. Like you can sell a product of 25,000 naira and get a commission of 7,000 naira. So if anybody buys through your link, you're getting 7,000 naira. Imagine 5 persons buy through your link, that's 35,000 naira. Imagine 10 persons buy through your link, that's 70,000 naira. Imagine 20 persons buy through your link, that's 140,000 naira. That is a very, very easy and silly way to make money, very, very lazy means of making money, right? So now I'm going to quickly show you what to do. First of all, you go on Nestitch. You sign up, you fill in your details. You come on Nestitch, you sign up, you fill in your details, and you have a place like this, right? After you've signed up, you have somewhere like this. Now, what are you going to do next? After you've signed up, you filled in your details, you've done your KYC and all of that. You come on affiliates and you come on sell products because you want to sell people's products, right? You come on this place and you click on sell product. Now, I'm actually teaching this based on my own product, right? So now if you want to make money off my products, you can come here and type Miracle Edits Okon, and you search for me. This is my product by Miracle Edit Okon. You search for this product where they wrote create and earn with AI. This is the flyer design, so that you don't get it mixed up. This is the flyer design, right? Create and earn with AI. This is the video. This is the course, right? Create and earn with AI, right? So that is that. So when you come here and you see this course by Miracle Edit Okon, the only thing you need to do is to come to these three dots here. You see these three dots here. When you tap on these three, you tap on these three dots here and you see there, copy your affiliate link. Then you copy your affiliate link and you come here and you copy all of this. You copy your affiliate link, copied, right? Then once you copy your affiliate link, every day I'm going to be posting videos that you can post on your page or on your WhatsApp. You can post my videos on your page on your WhatsApp and tell people about this course. Tell them why they need to learn AI. Tell them why they need to buy this course. And then you're not promoting it with my own link, right? You're promoting with this your link that you copied, right? Everybody have different unique links. So once you come here and copy your link, that's your own unique link, right? So now you've gotten your unique link. Now when you post any of the videos I share, okay, this is the video you have to post today, or this is the flyer design you have to post anytime, you can promote it on your Instagram, on your Facebook, on your anywhere. Once you talk about the products, you paste your link that if you want to buy, you click on this link to buy. Anybody that is buying from your link, anybody that clicks on your link and buy from you, you're getting a commission. And that is the easiest way to make money online. Now, you don't need to have a product to make money at all. You don't need to have a product to make money. If you cannot find the products Miracle Edit Okon, you can search for create and earn with AI. You will see it. Create and earn with AI. The flyer design is this blue and this blue, and I'm wearing a blue dress there, right? So this is the easiest way to make money on through affiliate marketing. If you want to see my dashboard, this is what I've made from affiliate marketing. Look at it. Look at my end affiliate revenue. I've made $79 from promoting other people's products. This is not even my product. This is what I've made from promoting other person's products. So you can do the same. This is I think I made this in 3 days. This is over 120,000 naira in 3 days. So you can also do the same. And do you think that will give you results? Some of you might post the link one day and you forget about it and you don't do it again because nobody bought from your link on the first day. This thing is not a magic. It is continuous. It's just the same way somebody opens a shop and the person comes to shop today and the person does not sell today, and the person says, oh, I'm not going to come to this shop again. If you don't come to the shop again, you're not going to ever sell again. But if you keep consistently coming, you're going to make sales. So some people might do it on the first day and not get results, and they'll be like, oh, this thing is not working, oh, affiliate marketing is this, is not working, does not work. But it actually works. Look at, from this is my end affiliate revenue, right? So that is that. So I'm going to send you the link to sign up on Nesthuge, and do as I've said and start promoting the product. I'm going to put the video, so do as I've said, start promoting the product, and that is it, right? So thank you so much everyone for joining the group. I really do want to see you win, and I can't wait for you to tell me that, oh, Miracle, I made my first 200k from your product, I made my first 1 million naira from your product, and that is it, right? So thank you so much, guys. Peace and love. And also, you do not have any worries of, oh, can I withdraw my money and all of that. You can withdraw your money. You can withdraw your money. Look at the wallet here. So look at the wallet there. You can come here and do withdraw funds, right? You come here and you withdraw your funds, and that is it. Do you understand? After you've put in your bank details, so you do not have any worry about that, right? So thank you so much, guys.